Hey everyone, this is Corey from the Secure Chat Podcast. And today for our Security Tip Tuesday, I'd like to talk to you about the importance of having antivirus on your mobile device. So since our phones are pretty much small computers at this point, it's very good to make sure they're protected. A lot of people on their phones will have a company email, maybe Teams or Slack, even NetSuite, and you want to make sure that the integrity of those systems is always in place for your corporation. If you install an antivirus on a mobile device, it gives you the ability to see if anything malicious is going on in that phone. You'll have the ability to kind of peek into it and see if the day-to-day processes that are happening on the phone look malicious or if it's just business as usual. This gives more information to an IT department, and even more if you don't have a corporate-owned phone or it's just a personal phone with no company information or applications on it, you can also get a personal antivirus that will make sure that nothing fishy is going on. If this is something you want to learn more about, feel free to reach out to us on any social media platform or go to our website where you can find more information. Thank you.